Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain WEBULL investment trading app review to see if it's worth using. WEBULL is a commissioned free trading platform that offers a range of investment options including stocks, ETFs, option cryptocurrencies, and a fractional shares. Its user-friendly mobile app provides advanced charting tools, real-time marketing data, and a customizable whitelist catering to both invoice and experienced investors. Features are like paper trading and a robo-advisor called Smart Advisor help users practice strategies and automate investment based on individual goal. Additionally, WEBULL support fractional shared investing, allowing users to start with at least low as $5, making it accessible for those looking to diversify their portfolios without significant capital. WEBULL is a solid choice for individuals seeking a comprehensive and intuitive trading experience. Its commission-free structure and range of investment options make it appealing to a broad audience. However, users should be aware of certain limitations such as the absence of mutual fund offering and potential concern regarding customer service responsiveness. Overall, for those interested in a versatile trading platform with a robust features, WEBULL is worth considering. And that's it.